Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Living Crafty and Cozy. So I just wanted to say I'm really excited. We passed over 100 subscribers, so I wanted to do a really big video, and I want to do a 5 thrift store challenge. So I'm giving myself $100 to hit up each of these. Some of them are going to be local just to this area, but some of them are going to be like the big chain thrift stores like Goodwill, Salvation Army. I'm here at Salvation Army today. Let's go see what we find. It's the chair party. Kind of love that. Love this cabinet. Not sure how I'm at $10 here already. But these are going to be for something I want to do coming up. And knickknacks. And dishes. This is a cute one. All right, everybody, we're back at it. Day 2 of the thrift store challenge. We are at one of my favorite thrift stores, even though it is not a thrift store you'll find all over America. This is like a Tampa local thrift store, but it's one of the places that I find the best stuff at, some of the best prices too. So day 2, store number 2, come on and shop with me and let's find some bargains. Clothes here. They bag up all the books. Oh, I wonder if the kids' books area is gone now and this is it. I don't know. Look at that. You could get that many books for $2. That's a good deal. Some Dr. Seuss. Toys. Kids section. This area right here. It's where I get a lot of good crafting things, baskets, candlesticks. I'm so excited. Cute. I'm definitely going to use this guy. Look at how cute that would have been for Valentine's. Oh, I love it so much. Isn't that beautiful? There's so much great crafting items on the end caps back here. The cookie cutters. The crafting hoops. That's a lot of crafting hoops for $5. And look at those like pearly bubbles up there. I like those. I just don't know what I'd use them for. Somebody please tell me why I like old German beer steins so much. There's a whole collection of them. I'm like, I'm not a beer drinker like this. I don't. But I just find these little cups so fascinating. I don't know. I'm such a weirdo. But these are hilarious and I love them. Sincerely want this so bad. Look at how cute this is. This whole set of Gibson holiday. It's dessertware. Service for $6. And do you see how beautiful that is? And the little like lid and a dessert plate. We are at Goodwill. This is store number 3 of our challenge. Currently picked up my kids from school and they're heading in with me. It's all good. They're gonna help, right? You gonna help? Okay, let's do it. Let's go get some bargains. Hey everybody, back here on a Saturday. I took a day off yesterday so we could all go to the fair, but I'm back at it again. We're hitting up some thrift stores. Today we are going to the Habitat Restore, And I got my entire family here, so this should be fun, right? Let's go and find some bargains. I do love this store. I find like lots of great, unique things here. So let's go. Hey. This place is great. Come on, Eva Rose. Lighting. Ooh, such beautiful sconces. Isn't that pretty? Lighting fixtures. Don't mind if I do. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. The china. Oh my gosh, I gotta get over here to this china. So pretty. So this was actually my last store of the 5, and it was at Salvation Army in Lakeland. So I got this cute little sign here, welcome to our nest. And it's got like these twigs that are being held on with some wire, and it's metal, and that was $4.99. Really like this. Oh darn, the sticker is gone. This was like $2 or something. It was super cheap. Look at this though, like the copper and like that burnt looking. And I don't know if y'all can see the print. It's like acorns and leaves, so perfect for fall. And it's a fireplace with like a kettle over, you know, some wood, cooking something. You got like a little candlesticks on top of the mantle here, some sort of a musket or rifle. I love this. I think that this is gorgeous, and I can't wait to find somewhere to hang this. They're adorable. This teapot for $4.99. You guys, look at how cute this is. I don't know if I'll use this for the Peter Rabbit luncheon tea thing, but look at, there's a little bird peeping its head out of the little hole here, and the bird is like trying to give him food or kisses or something. Could that be any cuter? And it's lattice work and like a branch, a twisted branch, a little rosette on top. Could that be any cuter? That was $4.99, just a small little chip on the back. Okay, and then this I'll definitely use. I don't know if I'll paint it or not. It's just this cute glass yellow flower. So I'll probably just put something coming out of there, a small rabbit or something, a candle, something coming out of there. Cute, cute, cute. That was my second Salvation Army that I went to. That was my haul for that. And I think I spent maybe $14 for that day. I had gone to that habitat that I was telling you about, Habitat for Humanity in Lakeland. And I didn't find a ton there, but the things that I found were gorgeous. Okay, I found this little watering can, this little spring Easter inspired watering can. 50 cents, you guys. Not even kidding. It said made exclusively for a Yankee Candle. Okay, so I guess it's some sort of a candle holder. That's cute. I don't know if I'm going to use it for candles or not, but that's very cute. Yay. Get some of this off here. Okay, and then I got a couple of, I'm thinking we call it milk glass. A couple pieces of like the milk glass china. So this beautiful, I think it's like a candy dish, but isn't that so beautiful? I love it. I don't know if you guys can see it up close, like how pretty that is. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. And that was $1, okay? So I know that stuff is expensive and worth stuff. And then I got this set of 2. I don't know if you would consider it a vase or what you would consider them. But again, the milk glass with the bumps on the side, that and the scalloped edges. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Okay, so that is all. They were all $1 a piece except for the little watering can. That was 50 cents. Okay, so moving right along. Sorry, I'm trying to go quick here because there's a lot of stuff to do. Goodwill. Okay, so the Goodwill by Us, I think I mentioned this in the video before. Not my favorite store whatsoever. But I actually ended up finding something ridiculously cute, which is, look at this, you guys. Look, it's like the wood, the shaved wood rosettes. I don't even know how they do it, but good gosh, it's so cute. It's a bunny-shaped wooden rosette wreath with the little like robin, speckled robin eggs like mushed in there with a burlap bow. And that was $6.98, so well worth it. Cute. And the ears are just like some sort of a basket wicker or something. It just, there's a little spot. The two ears are a little wonky. So I'm going to have to go in and probably secure it. But I've already been hanging it on my front door. It's so cute. And then I got a couple bundles of these carrots, glittery carrots, garland. They were $2 a piece. Cute. I'll take it. I didn't even know if I was going to find anything there, to be honest with you. So the second store I went to is a local thrift store, and it's called Community Thrift. All right, this is one of my places that I get the best stuff, best prices, always good deals. So I'll get started with the haul. I found this adorable little bunny candle, candle holder. He was $1.95. Another one of those little like farm style baskets. Okay, this was $3.95, and I think the orange stuff was 75% off. So that was probably 75% off. And then this sign, it says Bunny Trail Farms, and it's pink and white check and adorable. It has the Easter eggs. That was $1.95, but again, the orange ticket was 75. Was either 50% or 75% off. I don't remember. Good deals though, either way. And then I found this beautiful large size sham. I am going to incorporate this in my tableware some way. I want there to be green and just cuteness. I want to mix in like the greens of spring and some of the pastels of Easter. I'm going to make something with it. Table topper, something, you know, on the buffet. It's going to go somewhere. It's adorable. I love it. And I love all of that ruffle on the edge. It was cheap though. I got it on sale. And then this pretty little tray here. That's just like a resin or plastic or something. $3.95. I'm just going to clean this up and probably use it as like, you know, a middle of the table stand or something. It's so pretty though. I love it. And I'll definitely use this for more than just Easter. That's for sure. Almost done with this haul. Okay, yep, I found a little bag in the craft section with a bunch of little cuties. My dog. We got a couple of little glass figurines here though, like bunny figurines. I'll definitely use them to set them out, you know, get that Easter feel. And then I got this beautiful teapot. It did not come broken. I'm going to have to glue it. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, I'm just going to have to show it without that piece. Somebody has broken the teapot, okay? The guilty parties have been dealt with. So that's all I'm going to say about that. But this was $5.95. And it's so pretty. It's so spring. And I will likely use it to put like flowers coming out of it or something. Yeah, it's so cute. So there's that. Okay. And then I had a $10 coupon there. So my total ended up coming to $18. So still falling within my $100 budget. I think it was just under. I did pretty good. Okay. And then here's the last one. It was my biggest one. The Salvation Army here in Tampa always has great stuff. This pot was $4.99, and it's a terracotta. It's a clay terracotta. Definitely going to use that for my thing, my tea party. This was $2.99, and I want to collect a few of these and hang them in my kitchen. Maybe like above the doorway or this new rack that I just bought to go in there. But the copper bunt pans here, definitely, or is that for bread? I'm not sure. I don't know. I just seen people decorate with these and I thought it was such a great idea. My style for sure. Ooh, and then look at this. This was so cute. I think pink has definitely got to be a running color in that tea party that I do, or the lunch that I do, because look at this beautiful dish that I found. Pink flower with the leaves on the side. And then this is Wedgwood Group. Not even sure. This was $4.99. Totally worth it. That's so cute. I found this cute little flower that was $4.99. This probably was on sale too, because they had some sales going on that day. I also found a ton of clothes for my son that day. So this is, I by far spent the most here. It was like $48 that I spent here. That's $4.99. I'll do something with this for sure. Have it out. It screams spring and Easter. Look. This cute little gravy boat. Oh my gosh, with the leaves and the tundrels, and this was a temptation, so I love these dishes so much. This was also $4.99, but look at how cute. Can you just imagine it? It's going to be so darling. Okay, my hand sanitizer. That's not part of it. Ooh, I forgot about my coffee cup. That's right, Grace Teaware. This was $2.99. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that so pretty and delicate and just, oh my word. I'll incorporate it somehow. I'm not sure, but I will. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. And then my second to last item was this cabbage, what would you call this? Like a snack tray or something where you could do like vegetables and dip, or you know, chips and salsa, whatever you wanted to do. This was $4.99, and this is so cute and so right up that Peter Rabbit alley with like all the vegetables and the farming and gardening and all that. I love it so much. This is a Shafford original. I have never heard of them. But they make cute stuff. They make very cute stuff. And I was lucky to find it. So there's that. And then I found this gorgeous, I think they call it ticker striped. It's, I want to say a sheet, maybe a flat sheet. But look at how pretty this is. This is so delicate and pretty and will be exactly what I need for like a table topper or something to like drape nearby. I'll make something with this and it will definitely be a part of my, excuse me, brunch that I'm planning. I'm going to do this for my kids. They'll enjoy the Peter Rabbit theme, I think, and just all the pretty stuff. And I'll make sure, and that this is going to be one of my videos that I do, and I'll show you all how I turned all of this into an Easter spring brunch. I just appreciate you. Thank you guys.